Little bit forward, please. Your left leg back and drop your knee, please. Left leg back. Now, please right leg forward. Stretch your pelvis in towards mat here. Yes, you can use knee pads under your knee, which is comfortable for you. You can use. One second. You also can take. Now, your left knee down and stretch your pelvis in towards mat like that. Stretch here and your left hand forward, please. Right hand back. Yes, you are doing wrong. Leg forward, please. 1, 2, only look here. 3, like 4, okay. 5 more forward. 5, 6, very good. 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, long inhale and exhale, please. Your left leg bend, right knee straight. Now, your foot touch with the mat. Inhale, both hand up. Exhale down like that, please. Here, down forward, please. Yes, keep your leg straight, madam. Your right leg keep it straight. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Keep it straight. 4, very good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, now you both hand here. Back your leg, please. Back your leg, please. Bring your leg back now and shake your leg. Do slowly. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now your left leg forward between your hand. Left leg forward, please. And your right in touch with the mat. Lift upper body like that. Okay. And now here, stretch your pelvis in towards the mat and your right hand forward, left hand back. Right hand forward, left hand back. Please stretch your pelvis in towards the mat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look back. 5, 6. Look back, please. Back, ma'am. 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, now please stretch your left knee, please, here. And drop your hand on mat. Stretch your knee, please. Stretch your legs. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Back your leg. Long inhale and exhale. Parvatasana here, please. Shake leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now here your hand close with each other and your feet apart. Like that, please. Your hand close with each other. And now with the left hand catch your right ankle and hold, please. With the left hand catch your right ankle. 1, 2, hold there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch, please. Yes, keep your leg straight here, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, please. Long inhale. Exhale. Now Long inhale. Your right elbow down under right shoulder, please. Right elbow down here. Come on. Madam, look at me. Right elbow down like that, please. Sapna ji. And right leg up. Here, like that. Okay, right elbow down, right leg up. And try to catch with the left hand. Stretch up. Yes, look forward. One, yes. Perfect. One, two, three, four. Very good, Sisha Karu. Five. Sapna ma'am, you're doing very well. Catch. 7, 8, 9, 10. Release your hand, release your leg. And switch, please. Your left elbow down here. And left leg up. Catch with the right hand. Look forward. 1. सामने देखिए. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, please. Now here, look at me. Your hand forward like that, please. Here, look at me. Your upper body down and stretch your feet like that, please. Stretch your feet, please. Leg should be straight. First, you can your please yes, ma'am. Now tuck your toe inside. Okay, down your body. Tuck your toe inside and keep your straight your leg like that here. Ma'am, try to straight your leg. Sapna ji, knee should be up. 1. Try your best. 2. First, lie down. 5, 6, yes. 7, 8, 9. Relax, please. हाँ अच्छा था. Only you have to lift your knee. Yes, very good. Now you got it. Just relax, please. नहीं ठीक था. वह लेट ही करना है. Long inhale. Exhale. नहीं खुला है. Relax, please. Long inhale. Lie down, please, on a mat. Long inhale. Exhale. Relax your body and your breath. Now, frog pose. Fold your leg. Look at me. You have to catch your feet from inside, not outside. If you're doing bow pose, it's a bow pose like that. But you have to do frog pose. You have to catch your foot inside like that, and press your feet towards the body, towards the glutes here, and lift upper body like this is a frog shape. Okay, press your elbow should be upside. Yes, Sapna ji, very good. 1, inside, not outside. 2, yes, press down. 2, elbow up. 3, 4, yes. 5, 6, like press. 7, 8, look up. 9, 10, 11, 12. Relax, please. Long inhale and exhale. Matsya Kridasana. Now your right hand forward, left hand bend, and left knee also close towards the left elbow and down. Matsya Kridasana. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. 5, 6, 4. Relaxation. 7, 8, 9. But it is very good for sugar, for gastric issue. It is very good. Now switch your side, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, please. Long inhale and exhale. Relax your body and your breath here. Now your hand back, please. Aeroplane pose like that. Stretch your body parts like that. Up. Core tight. Hand stretch up. Look up. One, close your leg. Two, close your leg. Lift up. Two, don't bend. Three, like four, five, six, seven, eight. Reverse boat pose also. Eight, called weekend. Nine, 10. Now child pose. 1. Your hip position completely close with your heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Legs please. Now bring your leg forward. Shake your leg. Long inhale. Exhale now. Catch your left foot with the right hand and stretch your leg please. And your left hand back here. Catch your left foot with the right hand and left hand back. You can catch your ankle region. Try to keep it steady. Yes. 1. Try to stay to leg. 2. Yes. 3. Look your hand. 4. 5. Very good. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Yes. Relax please. Switch here please. Catch your right foot with the left hand. Stretch please. Keep it straight to leg please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Legs please. Long inhale. Exhale now. Sit in farmer pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Spine straight please. Your hand here please. Like inside. You have to lift according to you please. Your hand, your elbow here please. And lift your leg up like that please. If you can, you can lift this much also. No problem. How much you can lift? Like that, try to up. According to please. Yes, it is okay. 1, 2, not bad. 3, 4, 5, 6, very good. 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax please. Your feet as well as close towards the pelvic region and press your knee towards mat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now down, forward, and close your head with your feet. Down, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Lie down back, please. And you have to lift your leg with the crossing. Like lie down back, okay? And now leg like that with the cross, like 1, 2, 3. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cross and hold, please. Keep it straight to both legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch please and hold. 1, Janvi ji. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax please. Long inhale and exhale. Relax your breath and your body. Take a deep inhale and exhale here. Now just fold your leg in like a butterfly. Okay, fold your leg here like butterfly, and your both hand over the head, please. Long inhale. When you exhale, just touch your hand with your feet, like lift upper body. Inhale back, exhale, inhale back. Yeah, exhale. Touch your hand with the knee. Exhale up. Come on, Sapna ji. Don't lift your feet. Inhale up. Exhale. Legs should be down, madam. Inhale up. Together, please. Inhale back. Exhale forward. Yes. Inhale up. Exhale. Touch your hand here. Yes. Inhale up. Back. Exhale. Inhale back. Exhale forward. Inhale back. Back. Exhale forward and hold, please. Close your hand with your knee. 1, 2. Engage core muscles. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, please. Now, Setu Bandhasana, please. Fold your legs. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up and hold, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's please. Now Pawan Muktasana variation, please. Right leg fold and touch. Alternate, please. Like here, release and switch your leg. Keep movement. Like 1, keep movement. Like 2, yeah, 3, 4, 5. Slowly. 6, 7. Yes. 8, 9, 10. And hold, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then both leg, please. Both leg together. 1, 2, 3. Neck should be down. 4, 5. Keep your neck down. 6. Neck down, not leg. 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, please. If you have any neck pain, okay, just relax, please. Savasana here. Take a deep inhale and exhale. You feel energized, you feel relaxed, your body and your breath here. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Take a deep inhale and exhale.